What's going on, everybody? This hunt that you're about to watch was a hunt that we had back in October of this year. We set up on a golden cornfield that had a couple hundred geese feeding in it, and it was windy. Like, it was, I want to say 25 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts. So it was really windy out there. We had a slight temp change. But long story short, the geese that we were hunting flew the other way off the roost, and they basically told us to screw off. So I had my buddy Knobs with us this day, and he's from Illinois. And down in Illinois, they don't get migrators the way that we get migrators. They don't have very many opportunities to hunt migrators. We ended up having a couple groups of migrators and decoying a couple groups of migrators. So that was really fun. We didn't shoot a huge pile in this hunt, but the ones that we did get to do it, did it really nice. And like I said, it was super fun to hunt with Knobs and be able to decoy some migrators. So hope you enjoy it, guys. Keep an eye out for more hunts. We got plenty of hunts coming. I've got busy with hunting season, and I haven't been able to edit quite as many of them. So hope you enjoy it.
What the f?